jackass ain't got shit on us. Bring that shit.
Fuck, it's gangster up at the DMI here.
We got the new fucking character, Evil Canegro.
You fuck with us. You fuck with us. That's what we're gonna do to your property.
Tell Bam, all you jackass homies to bring it. We're coming after you right now. I'm telling you. Extreme rain riding. Go. He looks like an astronaut. Let's go. Do it again. I got all the cars. Slow down. Slow down.
Wonder why I criticize my enterprise when you see me rise. We tough guys don't pop shit, we drop hits. Flow hot hits.
What? Bad kids for life.